the Central Florida market is really stable.
Yeah.
The interest rates are really good. So if you want to move up, if you want to move into a house, homes are affordable. They're very affordable in Central Florida because they're not as much money as a lot of other places in the country. So it does go along with the wages and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of times what really surprises people is what they're paying for rent is actually more than what they would have to pay if they were buying a home. When you come up to the move-up buyer, you might not realize because the market has come back that you actually do have more equity in your home than you think. So moving into that next home, that you've got enough down payment just by selling the home that you've got to be able to move into that. And, you know, we have obviously that you've heard us talk about and advertise and stuff, the guaranteed sale, and that's perfect for the move-up buyer because what that does is that helps you so you're not stuck with two homes or that you don't have any home at all if your home sells too fast. So what your interest rate is on the home that you're in right now might be maybe 7% or something that happened a few years ago. Now they're at 4%. So you could probably move up to a bigger home or a home that more facilitates your family, maybe in a nicer neighborhood or with more amenities or whatever that you would like. And instead of paying more money, you might actually pay less because of the interest rates being where they are today. One of the things that I read this week was basically on the whole millennials. And what they say is that about a third of them in the next 3 years are actually going to be buying houses. So right now, a lot of them are renting. And so as a result of that, you know, they will have the resources and feel more comfortable when it comes to actually purchasing in the future. And there's a few things that that the millennials are looking for, and the three things are trust, convenience, and expertise. And first of all, when it comes to trust is a big thing, and we are all about that at Frontgate Realty because what we want to do is our goal is to make sure that all of our clients, whether they're buyers or sellers, that their goals are met. And that's our number one focus day in and day out. And customer service is really critical with us. And so our reputation and everything is very critical to how we operate and what we want to do to make sure that the customer experience is absolutely the best. The second thing that we are going to talk about is convenience. And basically the way things are right now, the millennials and all of us, regardless of what age we are, we expect things to happen immediately.
Isn't that the truth?
Basically, convenience is what people are all about. So having the houses on the internet, having them that they can look at the more things that they can look at themselves they want to do. And we are finding that we do sell more and more houses to people that don't even see them sometimes. Yeah. And then the third thing is expertise. And the biggest thing that comes with the expertise piece of this is that, you know, on the internet, you can find anything. And that's the good news. And the bad news is you can find anything.
Yeah.
Because it's not necessarily all true. And so with our expertise, you can do a lot of research yourself out there. But honestly, when you sit down with us, we can show you the ins and outs of what's really out there and what you might think is true and what actually is true, because many, many times they are very different.